For the year 2021, I am challenging myself to turn $1,000 into $100,000 worth of passive income in just 1 year. For those of you who are already subscribed to my channel, you know that I make tons of money in passive income from my ATM business. But here's the catch. I cannot count any of that income towards this $100,000. I must make all of this money basically from scratch. So here are the rules. I can only use 4 items: my laptop, camera, the internet, and $1,000. We only have 1 year, so I have to work as quickly and efficiently as possible. After some quick research, I realized that in order to achieve such a goal in such a short amount of time, we must sell somebody else's product. Creating our own product would be way too expensive and it would take way too much time. We need to sell something that is proven to work. We also need to sell a product that has some sort of residual income, because residual income is the most passive form of passive income there is. I only know one product on this planet that will be able to achieve all of these things for us. And let me introduce you to Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is a software that can build and host websites, and not just any website, it's a specific website called a sales funnel. Every single business on this planet needs a sales funnel. For example, Grant Cardone, Dan Locke, Tony Robbins, they all use Clickfunnels, and the crazy thing is that not all businesses have one. And they're missing out on a ton of business, especially here in the digital age. A sales funnel is a system that takes customers through a series of specific steps that actually convert them into sales. So a ClickFunnel is typically a website that has anywhere between 3 to 5 pages, and each of those pages only gives the customer one action to take, one button to click on. For example, a customer comes onto the website, and by the nature of the website itself, encourages them to enter their email and their name. Then after that step, the website can suggest to the customer something to buy, or they can give them value in some way and then follow up with them at a later date so they can eventually sell them something later on down the road. Now, this is where it all comes together, and this is where we're actually going to make $100,000 within the next year. We are not going to be selling any items on ClickFunnels, but we are actually going to be selling ClickFunnels as a software itself. And ClickFunnels actually has a program where if you can refer business owners to the ClickFunnels software, they will actually pay you 40% commission for as long as that customer stays with ClickFunnels. And it's typically a very, very long time, because if you can show a customer that they really need ClickFunnels to run their business, they're going to stay with you basically forever, for as long as their business is alive. Meaning, if I'm able to refer 200 customers over to ClickFunnels within the next 1 year, you will basically get a residual income of about $8,000 per month, which is roughly $100,000 per year. Plus, if you can recommend 200 people to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels will actually pay you $1,000 for a car payment of your choice. So if you're able to recommend all of these people to ClickFunnels, you can go out, you can buy your Mercedes, you can buy your BMW, you can buy whatever car you want, as long as these 200 people stay with ClickFunnels. So this is the game plan. I will infiltrate Facebook groups in all areas around the web for signs of business owners. Any business owner who potentially needs ClickFunnels will be a target. Once I find a target market, I will give away as much value as I can for free. They will be so blown away by the value that I provide, they will be forced to do nothing but sign up for ClickFunnels, thus making me an additional $40 per month per user. So I found a great Facebook group that I would actually like to target, and this one is called Lawn Care Business Owners. As I said previously, we need to give away some sort of value here so that the customer can see why they're signing up for ClickFunnels in the first place. If we do not provide enough value here, our customers are not going to go over to ClickFunnels, they're not going to sign up for our 2-week free trial, and we're not going to get paid. So we have to provide them with value in some shape or form. So I basically have to make another short little video showing them how ClickFunnels can help their business as a lawn care professional. So I'm going to make a short little 2 to 3 minute video, and I'm actually going to upload it to YouTube as the unlisted section. So I know most of you probably don't even have any videos on your YouTube channel. That's okay. If you don't want anything posted publicly, you can actually do it as unlisted, so it's not going to show up anywhere on your profile. The only people who can actually see this video is people who have that specific link. So this YouTube video that I made explains how business owners can actually use ClickFunnels to get more leads and generate more sales in their business. Now, this is where I'm going to have to dip into that $1,000 fund that I had, and we're actually going to hop on over to Fiverr, and we're going to get somebody to create a little whiteboard animation video for us. Okay, so I paid this guy to actually make me one of those animated videos, and it's very generic so that any lawn care professional can use this video. It doesn't have a name, it doesn't have a logo, it doesn't have a phone number or email. It's super generic so that anybody on that Facebook group can actually use this video. So now all we have to do is hop on over to ClickFunnels, and we actually have to create a website template for all of our lawn care professionals. We can edit this website any way we want, and we can actually add different things, like we can add different letterings, pictures, images, logos, whatever we need. It's a drag and drop website creator, and it's literally the best in the industry. It's better than Shopify. It's better than, any of those other ones like WordPress or Wix, better than all of them. Okay, now that we have the website designed how we want, we can actually upload the video to our site so that our lawn care guys can use it. So now that our website template is done, we go back to this page and you go to settings, and then you go down here to share this funnel URL. What you're going to do is you're actually going to copy this link, and we can actually start giving this specific link out to our lawn care guys. And this link is how ClickFunnels knows that we are the ones who are bringing all of these customers to ClickFunnels, and that's how they know to pay us. Just a heads up, don't pick the same industry as me. By the time you're watching this video, I've probably messaged and posted in all of the lawn care groups on Facebook. So why don't you guys do this with a different industry? It can be any industry in the world. It doesn't have to be lawn care. It can be real estate. It can be chiropractors. It can be restaurant owners. Any industry that you can think of needs ClickFunnels. I also noticed when you're making these videos for Facebook, you have to add some sort of familiar element to the background. So for me, I actually made this video while I was cutting grass with a lawnmower in the background. So if you're doing the real estate niche, don't just make a video like this in your bedroom. Actually go out, go find an open house with a sign in the yard, and just go take a video of yourself explaining why a real estate agent might need ClickFunnels in their business to actually sell more houses. And you don't have to lie, just make the video and make it look more presentable with those familiar elements in the background, like a house with the sign in the yard. So now you have your YouTube video made, you have your animated video made, and you actually have your template made. Now the only thing left to do is to actually write up that Facebook post and to actually give away the free template. All right, so the Facebook post that I made said, "Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for allowing me into this group. I am so glad that I can be a part of a community with such like-minded individuals. As a thanks, I made this video to show you how I'm able to get more leads for my business." And then all I did here was I basically just linked the YouTube video that I made. What's going to happen is the person who's reading this, they're going to click on to this YouTube video, and then it's going to bring them over to YouTube. And my YouTube video basically shows them what ClickFunnels is. It's going to show them the whiteboard animation video and then how they can use it in their business. And I basically give away my shared funnel, which I showed you in a previous step. And once they click all the way through, then they're going to sign up for ClickFunnels, and that's when we're going to get paid. Now, all we have to do is submit this Facebook post and see what happens. So let me show you what we just did. We signed up for ClickFunnels ourselves. We then created a pre-made funnel with an animated video inside of it. We then took that funnel and we made it into a template by using our unique affiliate link. We then made a Facebook post with our YouTube video in it and also our affiliate link attached to it. So now when our customers go from Facebook over to YouTube, then they sign up for that 2-week free trial because they want our template. And if they stay with ClickFunnels after that 2-week free trial, we then get paid $40 per month per user. So again, if we get 200 people to sign up for this software, we're going to make about $8,000 per month. So it's now a couple weeks later, and we actually have a couple of people who actually went ahead and downloaded the template and actually signed up for the software. And this is how many people actually signed up. So even though this amount of people actually signed up for ClickFunnels, this is the amount of people who actually stayed with ClickFunnels and actually went through and paid for the subscription. And everyone else is actually still on that 2-week free trial. So hopefully most of these people who actually signed up also convert into paid customers. So if I plan to do all of this within 1 year, that means we will need one person to sign up about every other day. So by the end of the year, we can have 200 people signed up into ClickFunnels itself. And I mean, that seems pretty reasonable if you ask me. All we have to do is go into these Facebook groups and we have to throw up posts every now and then hopefully we'll gain some traction that way. Now, this challenge, it's not going to be easy. It's going to require a significant amount of work and a lot of consistency. But if you do decide to do this challenge alongside with me, I promise you that by the end of the year, you will have more passive income than you did the year before. And $8,000 in passive income sounds pretty sweet to me. Plus, if you get those 200 members, you will win a dream car. Now, if you do plan on promoting the ClickFunnels software, you will need to have a ClickFunnels account. So that means you will have to sign up for the 2-week free trial, which I will have linked down in the description below. And plus, once you get enough people signed up under you, their commissions will actually cover your monthly payment for your software subscription. Hey guys, I also forgot to mention that I'm launching a course dedicated towards ClickFunnels itself and promoting their software and how you guys can actually create that passive income for yourselves. And this course is actually only 99 cents at the moment. It's only $1. So make sure you go ahead and click on the link down in the description below, and it's going to teach you everything that I know about promoting ClickFunnels and about affiliate marketing. So make sure you guys go ahead and sign up because I'm going to give you a little bonus there as well. So I can't wait to see you guys in the course. And I'm pumped too because not only will I be helping my financial future, but I will be helping you guys create a better financial future for you and your family. So that's what gets me pumped. That's what gets me to make these types of videos. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.